410TH. All right, you're looking at about 140K. All right, so we're gonna give this to Lisa. Actually, I'm gonna give this to Lisa. We're gonna start back at the front.
All right.
All right, so this is more than ridiculous huge storage. It's so huge, you got 2 doors. Okay, and look at the support being under this. It shows you how we're able to.
That's massive. At first, the prototype we had to put an aluminum structure down, but we actually engineered it to where we could get rid of that. So you have full, unobstructed storage.
That's
down.
crazy.
It's massive.
It is massive.
This is a bed.
This is probably the most storage, front storage I've ever seen in a toy hall.
I think I agree. Yeah.
I've never seen a toy hall. And you can see how much support we have under this. This is well built and engineered.
There's some people walking up there and you can barely hear it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. So this is probably our largest toy hauler. It's going to be about 44 feet and 11 inches.
It's almost 45 feet
I
long.
know, it is
You're
massive.
maxed out.
Yes.
Holy cow. And the weight on this one?
So
He's looking it up now.
It's going to be 16,800 pounds. And then the weight rating is going to be 20 pounds.
Wow.
This can hold 4,000 pounds.
Well, it's a toy hauler. You're gonna be
Yeah.
putting toys in
You
here.
got to be able to
Got-
back up your gear. That's
Yeah, that's right.
Gotta be
From an
able to-
awning standpoint, the entire side's covered, every square inch. From the front with this stuff door, then you got another one here that covers the slide, and then you have another one that covers the back area, which is the toy hauler part,
And make sure you get this beautiful sticker right here.
right?
We are the
Toy hauler of the year.
The best toy hauler. This is the one we did in conjunction with the changing lanes.
Nice.
Very
Again, it
nice.
also had that anti-lock braking system.
Ah, very
It's a huge
nice.
Safety feature.
Yes. Nicely done, you guys.
All right, so you got an
Congratulations.
outdoor entertainment center built in.
Outdoor speakers, all Rockford
Rockford, yeah.
Fosgate speakers. So this thing will be bumping whenever you want it to.
Very nice.
All right, let's go on in.
All right.
Come on, no, come on out. Here we go. All right, let's go stand over here. Maybe it's that angle. Sorry, we keep on losing you. We are still here. Okay, so here we are. I'm standing in the corner. I've been a bad boy, right? So I'm standing in the corner, but I am looking forward. I don't have my dunce hat on in the back. Okay, and so look at this. Look at this bench.
This was designed in open concept floor plan. Plenty of
The entire basketball team sitting here. All 5. Okay. Directly across is your entertainment system. Again, that's on a televator. It's just down. You can't see the TV, but it's right there. Another absolutely gigantic fireplace. And above there, your storage. Absolutely. Then you're sitting at a bar with a couple of stools, which is nice. So if the couch isn't enough, you got a bar you can sit at.
You know what I like about this bar setup? So whenever you're sitting at a bar, you want to watch the game, you want to watch the sports. When that,
It's right there.
Your back isn't actually, you're actually facing the TV.
And interestingly enough, from where you're actually sitting, you're not blocking the view of that person on that end either.
And they have plenty of space still to lay out and lounge out.
Yeah, absolutely. It's awesome. So nice island. You got your offset sink, right? Is that single basin or 50-50 with the, yeah, love that.
Yeah. We like the
Residential pictures as well.
we like the combination of having the 50-50 and having it lower seat usually pots in and out.
After listening to our customers, this is the sink that they really want.
Yeah, that's what.
But, so here we go.
All right. Was this yours or mine?
This one would be mine.
Yep.
Okay, there we go.
So back here, you got your 4-burner. Yep. Insignia, residential's, yep. Oven, residential microwave. There is some storage above the microwave as well as above the TV area here. Okay. And we've got a nice Samsung, right? That goes all the way. Again, that's storage I could not get to. Okay. There's also,
Nice coffee bar.
yep, little coffee bar here.
Everything you need.
Yeah, nice.
And then a big, beautiful pantry right next to it. But also, this pantry.
It's lined. Oh, and it's got a light in there.
It's all lit up.
What? It's all lit up. It's on fire. It's on fire. All All right, hang on. And then, yeah, that's where I hide my cookies. No cookie for you. No cookie for you. All right, and then into the toy holla.
Yep.
Toy holla at a playa. All right, so we're outside all the way to the back first, and then we'll walk our way in. So this is obviously your ramp, which turns into an outdoor deck. You got a couple nice momentum chairs that I'm assuming come with it.
3,000 pounds we can handle in patio, or 1,000, 1,500 actually in patio mode. 3,000 when
It's on
Yep.
1,500. I better get off it. No, no. All right. These are they call those 3-season doors.
3 seasons. Yep, sliding doors.
Yeah,
Oh, I like the doors.
yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent.
That's very nice.
Nice.
13 feet and 6 inches of garage space as well.
Okay. And so looking in, you got your rubberized floor, you got your tie down rings. These benches fold up in transport mode, but they also fold flat to make a big bed. But there's also a bed up top. And so that comes down on rails. Look at that. What? And those actually, these can go up the wall as well, too, right? Right? And how far, I've been always wondering to ask, how far down can this bed up here go?
How far down?
How far down can it technically go?
We can figure it out. We can just turn it down.
Okay.
Oh, that's that one.
Oh, you know what? I think they go together and they must be pinned. Yeah.
Oh, so,
Uh,
yeah, this one's, these two are moving together. Okay.
gotcha. All right, that one moves. How it does, nobody knows.
Well, it says right here, bunk bed lockup. So there's instructions.
Oh,
We're not.
it is like, okay, so there's pins actually.
Oh, look at
There's
that.
pins in it that prevents it from moving. There you go. I'm sorry, I forgot about that, guys.
See,
Not crazy.
we gotcha. We gotcha. We got you covered. There's a TV up there for viewing back here. There's also a half bath, which looks curiously small.
All
And so
right.
let's give it the tall man test.
Let's do.
No, it actually passes the tall man test. Look at
Look
that.
at that.
There's plenty of leg room in here. Now,
Nice.
the width is a little tight. I'm kind of squeezed in here. There's a little bit of room on either side, but I'm leaning. This is how I should be sitting. So, but yeah, the nice thing is you can actually wash your hands while you're on the toilet.
This is actually an optional setup.
Oh.
Yep, it's an optional from the factory.
Nice. And if it wasn't here, it would just be wide open space.
Right.
Okay, very nice.
Okay. There's something that we missed because I thought we could get to it from out here, but there's a bunk up here. Real quick. Let me just.
With the toys, that's
All right. Sorry, we just lost connection. So we're going up to the front, which is your bathroom. We're going through the bathroom first. The toilet is actually in a separate door, right? Your own room for the toilet. And so here you go, Lisa. I know you're trying to refresh, but
Yes.
hold on to that.
And I'm back.
Okay. So you've got your own little room here, which if I'm sitting how I'm supposed to sit, actually don't fit. I fit in the back, but not here. If I turn again, hang on. Yeah, I actually don't fit in this bathroom.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'm shocked.
Right?
Fit in
Me
the back
too.
one, but not this one. I just if the wall wasn't here, it'd be fine. Okay. So maybe we option it without that little door.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe
So
so.
you do have a nice vanity here again. This all solid surface. Nice window in here. This is the second bathroom we've seen a window in, which is awesome.
Nice big
Yeah,
mirror.
nice big mirror.
Right.
All right, and then the shower. We will
All
probably-
right.
It is perfect. There's plenty of height in here, so no problem with that.
Yeah.
Shower head. Excuse me, great place. This is just like the other shower room, Lisa. So
Yes, it is.
very nice. So let's move forward into the bedroom.
All right. Now, Angela actually has a question for the two of us.
Okay.
Since you guys have a Grand Design, please tell us about your manufacturer customer service experiences. Buying the RV is one thing. What happens after is the most important thing to me.
So we haven't had anything major wrong. We did have a recall. And the interesting thing, and if you go back to our videos, we made a video about it. We were calling to sort of schedule an appointment to have this recall thing fixed. And the day before we had sort of scheduled our time to do it, we walk outside of the RV where we happen to be,
It was courtside, I believe.
and the Grand Design road team was parked right in front of the RV. They were next door fixing somebody else's RV. Again, they have a road team. And so we just walked up and say, hey, our name is, we've got this thing. He said, oh, I got that part. I'll fix it for you when I'm done here. Dude, I think it's amazing customer service, right? I can't speak of anything else. I mean, we've had a couple of this, that, or whatever has happened, but we've mostly fixed them ourselves. Like for instance, we've just changed the lock on our door. We're going to put a video on that, and the reason is here. I'll show you. We're just going to come out and show something. This part right here. This part right here on our door. The screws were so tiny they just would never stay in there, and they actually, sorry, not part of the door. Sorry, this part of the door, right here. The screws right here on our door. There weren't two screws. There were just one, and the things were so tiny they would never stay in there. And one day they fell out and they were gone, and so that plate won't stay up there. And so we just decided to buy a new lock. Again, I mean, that's minor. And after 2 years and full timing and moving around the country, and we've probably set up and torn down 300 times, the black tank valve just froze on our tank a week ago. And so again, I don't think that's a warranty thing. We're going to fix that ourselves, and we're going to do it live. We're going to video it. That's coming up soon. I just, there's nothing else they've had to fix. So, I don't want to say we've been lucky, but there's just been really nothing wrong other than the recall thing. And the road team came and fixed it. So that was great. Okay.
So we also have, while we're answering questions, Donster I was asking about the floor burners, not using them on high at the same time. And he said, is that true? So I'm going to let Austin.
So I'm not sure if you were hearing me when we were talking about that, but with 4-burner stoves, if you have small enough cookware to go on there, if you crank all 4 burners on at high at the same time, you're not pushing enough propane to get that high heat on all 4 burners.
Have you tried to do that before? I'm just curious. In the past.
We have.
Okay. What was your experience with that?
It didn't work so well. It works fine with 3, but not 4. What's your experience from the facts?
So they all get kind of dim.
They can.
You couldn't use as much pressure.
Correct, because it's just not enough pressure forcing through the little lines.
That can happen sometimes. Really, someone will use that 4th burner to keep something warm before it gets cold, because they're cooking a lot of things at different times.
Yeah.
You might not need to boil everything at one time. We all kind of know that, but you want to keep it warm, keep it steamed like rice. You don't really need a ton of heat. So that can be the case if you're trying to run everything full steam ahead. I mean, you're going to burn through propane like crazy if you do that. But also, you might not get that pressurized cooking ability that you would typically with a 3-burner. But you still have the ability, which is nice for that 4-burner.
So you keep it food warm. So cook it on the higher heat on the other one and then push it back there for warm.
Yeah.
So what we're talking about is true. It's just you need to use that 4th burner for warming or keeping warm. But the other thing goes, depending on the size of the stove, and we don't have a residential size stove, and we have a Transcend travel trailer. We have more of an RV size stove. And so there's 4 burners in there, but they're smaller. And so we can't put 4 normal size pans on there. It's impossible. We can put 4 little, like little 10-inch ones on there. That's fine. But, we've got a nice, 16-inch skillet. That one and one other one, we can't put anything else on there anyway. And so also from that standpoint, 3 is great just from the real estate that you have on the cooktop. Okay, does it make sense? So hopefully that helped you out. All right, let's finish this up real quick so we can let
Yes.
Austin go, because we've kept his.
We've had him for a
attention.
long time.
This one has some interesting features. Before you turn, you've got like a little dresser here, which is sort of off to the side, which is kind of nice.
Yeah, I've never seen one off on the side.
5 drawers there. There's 6 drawers right in front of the TV with the under counter, storage there, that little hidden storage.
Right, I
Okay.
like that.
The bed in the back, again, I don't think this is, it's not residential, is it?
I believe that's an RV King.
RV King. Okay, there is storage underneath, and we haven't done this on a lot of them, and we apologize, but there's storage underneath. Oh,
Yes,
yeah, finished off, right?
that is finished off nice.
And then up front, if you will, it's mirror imaged, which is great. So you got 2 drawers per side, 2 doors per side, and a mirror in the middle. I'm assuming one side is washer dryer front. Maybe.
Oh, correct. Actually, that might be in the back of the garage.
Ah, okay.
After garage, correct.
Or this line. Where your washer and dryer would be right here.
Right, so there's
You
your
can sort of see it
fronts.
right back there on the back. Excellent. Yeah, I was like, I didn't know that slid. That's, wow, look at that.
Very nice.